Hello everyone, this is Teacher J. Excel in PSLE Math, question 11. The average height of 11 men is 1.81 meter, and the average height of 6 of them is 1.79 meters. What is the average height of the remaining 5 men? So for 11 men, 1.81 times 11, find the sum of their heights. We use calculator. 1.81 times 11, 19.91, 19.91 meter, 19.91 meter, and for 6 of them, the average height 1.79 meters. Meters times 6 times 6, 10.74. So remaining 5 men, sum of their height minus 19.91 minus 10.74, 9.17. So find the average height of the remaining men. Average 9.17 divided by 5. Divide by 5. 1.834. So the average height of the remaining men is 1.834 meters. Alright. Thanks for watching this video.